In this video walkthrough, I'm intending to showcase that our process, the Agile methodology that has been followed to develop this project, and it was maintained through the software lifecycle that we all know in the requirement phase, in the design phase, then development and testing, and after that deployment and review. So, um, so I will go through this process with the supportive documents one by one. So as I'm showing this image project, so in this project, actually we follow this norms and this work ethics for every projects, but as I am showing this, my intention to showcase all the related documents that we have captured so far, and that and how these things has come up into this live mid life. So first thing first is the basic, the product requirement document, and before that we need to have a sales document. So this is the very first of the document that client has shared with us, that they need a project like this, they need a product like this where we can have the customer relationships and all, and and this is the basic funda, like the CRM URL, the server instructions. They have done some basics of the designs, and they have their preferable tech stacks and all, and they have some basic outlines that this needs to be done, and hierarchy should be this. It's a very initial document, and they have chalked out the pricings and all, and after that, so those are the very top level overview of the product they had given on the very initial. So so yes, so this is this is the very beginning document, that very first document that we have received so far from the client. We can consider it as a client scope or client document. Then after that, what we have done, we have prepared a FRS, the functional requirement specification document, along with the design document. We captured each and every details of the documents, like how the flow should be working, and what are the modules that needs to be done in the very detailed manner. Sign up, forget password, like a user story basically comes up. um, what should be the specifications, and how the flow should be there and all. In the parallel, we basically do, so this is a big document where all the system specific requirements, business logics are detail mentioned. uh, on top level, we have given also some flow diagrams and all, and this is the server infrastructure that we have chalked out for it, Git workflow and all. Then what we have done so far, we have concentrated our whole journey to in parallel in the wireframes, which is the very important part of a project. Like initially, we thought to have this on a mobile screen view, so that's why the screens you can see here uh, in a mobile view. Then we sorted out how things will work, like designs, the contacts module, like the home, meeting agenda, summary, tasks, notifications, contacts, how the contact will be bulk uploaded, contact related all details. Not more than that, we have made many more versions for it in the wireframe state, because wireframe state is very important and essential to make the FRS things live and practical. So we have sorted out like what are the fields that need to be there and all. Then after that, once we got the approval in the wireframe, so you can see it was marked as ready for dev. So we started designing the versions of landing pages. Okay, so after many revisions, we sticked on this version, where we have prepared a basic layout chalk out of this design. All files are here made in Figma, and we have also done some wireframes. Some you can consider it is like it's a basic rough chalkouts of this we have done, and After that, we sticked on the design. Once got the approval of the wireframes, we sticked um, on the UI and UX of this project. So again, we have used Figma for doing that. So let me load again. So this is the whole screens. You can say this is the Bible of the project, where we define the flow, the variables, the texts, and all. So I'm going through this also. So first we worked on the brand guidelines. What should be the color themes? What will be the typography? What should be the infographics that needs to be incorporated here? So client's preferences was the project will be in blue, and it should be a corporate. It's a settled blue. Typography should be very corporate and not very funky, as because this project will be used by the financial planners or the mutual fund distributors as well. So what we did basically, in a single file you can have a overview of it. So we have done some research in typography, color theme choosing, and also the card choosing. So I'm going through this. Just allow me a moment. The project is very huge, and the research that we have done so far, it was on a single page. So that's why it is keep loading till now. So you can see now. So first, at the very first, we started uh, doing the brand color like this. We have done some research on this, the brand color, how the primary, secondary, and tertiary color it should be. We have done also tried some various combinations of colors, and then we prepared the colored logo. And we have also done some research like how the mobile app should work in future, and also along with the mobile responsiveness, how the cards will be sorted out, how the tabs will be looking like, how the button should be made. And we have done some research and references from Behance, and all other places, dribbles and all. And then after that, this is the basically approved guideline how the things it would be. So body text will be 16 and subtitle will be 11, and this is the color palette that we have um, envisioned to have, and then the basics, icons, and bottom navigation. So this way we do some case study, and we do some epic mappings and empathy mappings with the client, like how and like how the product will be being ready in the design and design phase before development. So those are our researches, and based on the researches we have given some of the designs options to client. uh, and This is the brandings at all. And we have done some dashboard research also. And after that, we sticked on the flow. So from there we started to have our flow. So this is a landing page, and how we have delivered this to developers with UX. I'm showing you. If you just go to the top overview of the page, you will see there is numerous screens, and all the screens are connected how I'm showing you in the prototype mode. So those are the variants that we have done so far in terms of prototyping. And we have given some of the flows here, like how the application will work on. And we started debugging on the modules, where we have all the link ups with the inner modules and all interlinkings and all. And phase by phase, when the product has evolved, we keep adding on the screens in the single file, so that you can see how the process have been made to make this product made live. So so those are the screens wearings in a bird view level. And I can showcase the screens that we have envisioned in design and we have developed. So this is the landing page, login, sign up, this way we started our development and we complete our development, and all the things are on a single page. If I log in, check, those designs are pretty aligned with our development. So now you can see we made numerous things, numerous use cases to make things happen seamless, and all the screens are here to as a developer's guideline actually, not the front end screen. Sometimes we made back end screens too, to and still we are keep adding on as the product is still in the enhancement mode. So whenever we get some of the enhancement requests, we do first the screens and then we get it approved, actually the UI and as well as the UX, and then when the screens is getting approved, we do the development. You can see that it has been reviewed, and you can see lots of use cases are there to cater on, that we have catered so far in the project, that you can see that this kind of notifications are also granularly mentioned in the notification list as well, in the roles and permissions, opportunity type management and all. You can see here how the graphs will be made. We have also given the guideline that how the graphs will be made, and the whole use cases are mentioned um, over the project. So those are the screens, and not only that, we have also made the this kind of designs for admin panel too. So that the process will be followed, and the UX and by the UI and UX, client will get the exact clarity that how the user journey would be. And then we have done lots of we follow lots of documents for development and testing. So we have a test plan, I'm showing you. So this kind of test plans we have, so we have followed throughout the project. We maintained it and still we are maintaining. And we have also test cases defined here. Sorry, test cases defined here this way. So we have lots of test cases that we have made, and still we are maintaining it. And then after that, we have some unit cases logs too, um, and also design approvals that we have, FRS, SRS that we have, project confirmation reports and all. So, and this is right now in the live, and we have lots of live users that are using this application. We can track it through admin panel, and this is how the project is going on. Thank you.